Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to plant these seeds. So guys, these are black beans. This is a white bean. I think this is also a white bean. This is a snake eye, and this is lady's finger right here. Might be too tiny. Okay, let's move on. So guys, this is bitter melon seeds, and this is also bitter melon seeds. So guys, this is a popsicle stick. I mean a craft stick. I'm gonna make a hole. That's a white bean. So let's put one in, cover it. Then put another one in here. Another one in here. And another one. Oopsie, I gotta do that one more time. Like that. So these are all beans. Let's put the bean in there. Cover it. Another bean in there. And come back here. Another bean in there. Take this one and drill a hole in there with that and get a black bean, not the white beans, which I spilled mud in. Put that. Bye-bye. When you dry, it will be very hard to find you. We're gonna make some holes in here. Ooh, that's very soft. Put that, make a hole there, and one over here. So the first one is this. So let's slide it in. Come on, go in, go. Okay, now he's in his crib. Let's put this dude in his crib. Bye-bye, go sleep. Okay, let's put his blankie. We did. This is the white beans. I spilled mud in that one. So let's put the white bean in his crib. Let him go. Bye. Go sleep. Put his blankie. And this one is these. So let's put his slider. Bye-bye. Okay, put his blankie, and we're done these. So guys, do not add the floating ones. This was a floating one. Do not get them. Only take the ones which are on the base. Get one. Yep. Bye-bye. Into your home. Get your blankie. Splashed on my channel table. So guys, guys, this is tomatoes, and we put it in this bag, and after a few days, there will be roots, and it will grow some more, and that will also happen with these, and I'm very excited to see all these. So guys, you know how we did this? We took 2 paper towels, we wet them, then we spread some tomato seeds, which I think that all of you know. Also seeds, normal, like I did here, which just too many these. But let's forget about that for now and go back to here. And then put it in a Ziploc. But you also have to wet the paper towel after getting 2. And put the seeds in on one, then put the other wet sheet on top of that, and make sure to not squeeze the seeds. It doesn't have to be 2 wet paper towels. It can be 1 wet paper towel folded. But before you fold it, spread some seeds, and then put it in a Ziploc bag, and seal it, and then put it in a dark place where there's no sunlight at all. Okay, let's go put it. So guys, do you know where I'm gonna put the tomatoes? Let's go find out. Come with me. We're gonna go here. This is my playhouse. There's a lot of toys. That's something I'm gonna unbox and make a video of. I'm gonna go in. Wait for me, because I'm sure you can't fit in my playhouse. So, guys, wait for me. I'll go through. And this is a very flat area. And I found a rock. Nice. Oh, look what my knee cut. So guys, we put all these seeds in. Now we're gonna put them in near the windows. And I'm gonna put never mind what I was gonna say. Let's put for one of them. You guys wait for me. Okay.